Today, we're diving into the all-new Galaxy Z Flip 6. This phone is packed with some incredible features, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. From its powerful 12 gigabytes of RAM to its stunning design, the Z Flip 6 is set to be a game changer. Let's get started. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the inclusion of 12 gigabytes of RAM as standard. This is a significant jump from the previous models in the lineup, which came with 8 gigabytes of RAM and had no option for a higher configuration. The extra RAM means better performance, smoother multitasking, and an overall faster experience. Samsung has really upped the ante with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The 12 gigabytes of RAM combined with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip makes this the most powerful flip yet. This means you can run more apps simultaneously, switch between tasks effortlessly, and enjoy a lag-free experience, even with the most demanding apps. Another first for the Galaxy Z Flip lineup is the introduction of a vapor chamber cooling system. This system helps keep the phone cool even during intense usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Z Flip 6 stays cool and performs optimally. When it comes to storage, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 offers two options: 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes. Unfortunately, there's no 1 TB version available, and like other flagship phones from Samsung since 2021, the Z Flip 6 doesn't come with a micro SD slot. But with these ample storage options, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 continues the tradition of its predecessors with a sleek and stylish design. It's compact, making it easy to carry around, and the foldable design adds a touch of innovation. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be available worldwide starting July 24. You can pre-order it in most markets from July 10. The starting price is $1099.99, which is $100 more than the previous models. Considering the upgrades and new features, this price bump seems justified. If you're planning to pre-order, keep an eye out for special deals and freebies. Samsung often offers exciting pre-order packages, which might include accessories, discounts, or other perks. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details on these offers. When compared to its predecessors, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 stands out with its 12 gigabytes of RAM and vapor chamber cooling system. The increased RAM makes a noticeable difference in performance, especially for heavy users. The cooling system ensures the phone remains cool, enhancing its longevity and performance. Before the official launch, there were rumors about an 8 GB RAM variant of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. While Samsung did test this variant, it's unclear if it will be available in all markets. We've reached out to Samsung for confirmation and will update you once we have more information. If you're on the fence about upgrading, here are a few reasons to consider the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The increased RAM and improved cooling system offer better performance and efficiency. The design and build quality remain top-notch, and the storage options ensure you have enough space for all your needs. Plus, with the latest Snapdragon chip, you're getting the best-in-class performance. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a significant step forward for Samsung's foldable phone lineup. I'm excited about the 12 gigabytes of RAM and the new cooling system. Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.